I've been using the Sweet Beauty Camera Filter app for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth using as your go-to AI photo editor in 2025. This app is all about enhancing selfies with real-time beauty filters, AI-powered skin smoothing, and creative effects like flower crowns, glitter overlays, and makeup simulation. The interface is clean and easy to use, and the live preview feature makes it super convenient. You can adjust everything before taking the shot, which is great if you want to tweak lighting or try different filters on the fly. For casual users and content creators who love sharing polished selfies or playful edits, this app definitely delivers on the fun and simplicity. But while it's visually appealing and fun to use, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the app's best features are locked behind a subscription. So even though it's free to download, most of the high-quality filters and advanced editing tools require you to pay. That can be a bit disappointing if you're expecting a fully free experience. I also noticed that on older phones, the app tends to lag or even crash when applying heavier effects. And like with many beauty apps, there are valid concerns around privacy. You're uploading photos to a third-party app, and it's not always clear how that data is being stored or used. So overall, Sweet Beauty Camera Filter is a decent option for anyone looking to spice up their selfies with minimal effort. It's best suited for casual use or social media content, not professional editing. Just be aware of the limited free features and take the usual precautions when it comes to privacy. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.